Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering various IoT levels and deployment templates. Guys, I have uploaded complete IoT subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, IoT means connecting physical device to internet so that they can send data, they can receive commands and they can work smartly without human help. Okay, these are some of the common parts that are same for all levels. The first one is device. Device is nothing but IoT device. For example, if you consider smartwatch, smart bulb, CCTV camera, sensors, all these are examples of IoT devices. So first part is IoT device and second one is software or resources. Guys, each and every IoT device contains software. By using that software, device can read data from sensors and also they can perform various actions by using actuators. And third one is controller. Guys, controller act as brain. It will take intelligent decisions. Guys, for example, if you consider smart bulb, whenever any person enter into a room, lights will automatically turn on. And whenever person leave, lights will automatically turn off. And this work is done by using controller. And controller also have capability to send data to cloud. And there is also database, which will store complete data, either locally or in cloud. Locally means storing data in the device itself. And there are so many web services which will connect the device, that is nothing but IoT device, cloud, and as well as various applications. Applications are nothing but apps which are present in our mobile. By using that apps, we can control IoT devices. For example, if you consider CCTV camera is IoT device. And we can access CCTV camera by using mobile app. So mobile CCTV camera app, it is considered as application. User can control IoT device by using application. Guys, each and every level contains all these parts. Guys, total there are 6 IoT levels and each level will show how much big the system is and where data is stored. Either data is stored locally in system itself or in cloud. At first I will explain IoT level 1. Guys, in IoT level 1, there is only one single device. That is nothing but there is only one single IoT device and complete data is stored in the device itself. There is no cloud and this device will do everything like sensing, controlling and storing data and making intelligent decisions. And this IoT level 1 is good for small and simple systems. In IoT level 1, there is no need of cloud storage and there is no need of internet. And there is only one single device. This device will do each and every work. And in order to perform various actions, we need application. Instead of installing application in our mobile app, directly that application is also present in device itself. For example, let's say there is one small device. That single device will control all lights and all home appliances. And storage and as well as application. Both are present in the device itself. There is no need of internet. This is example of IoT level 1. This is diagram. Instead of cloud, all things are present in device itself. Like application, database, controller, which act as brain. And there are so many kinds of resources like sensors, actuators. And there are some hardware devices. All are present in the device itself. And all these things are done locally. That is nothing but in the device itself. This is all about IoT level 1. Next, IoT level 2. Guys, even in IoT level 2, there is only one device. But instead of storing data locally, data is stored in cloud. And in order to access device, we need application. And even that application is also cloud-based application. So here in IoT level 2, we need storage, which is cloud storage, and application, which is cloud-based application. Guys, for example, if you consider soil sensor will check moisture levels. If soil is dry, then automatically IoT device will turn on motor and at what time and how much time motor is turned on. Complete information is stored in cloud. And farmer can check complete information by using mobile app. So data storage and as well as mobile app. Both are cloud based. So this is diagram for IoT level 2. In that IoT device, there is controller which will take decisions. It acts as brain. And there are resources like sensors, actuators. And there are hardware components. All these are stored locally in the device itself. Application and as well as database. Both are cloud based. And this application database, both are connected to controller by using REST based communication or WebSocket based communication. By using these two communication models, all these three are connected to each other. This is all about IoT level 2. Next I will explain IoT level 3. Guys, even in level 3, there is only one single IoT device. Here in level 3, cloud will not only store data, but also cloud will analyze data. Guys, normally if analysis required more power, in those situations, instead of doing analysis in the device itself, analysis is done in cloud. Guys, normally if you consider some sensors will detect parcels. If something is wrong in that parcel, then automatically vibration will take place. And this activity is done by using cloud. Initially, device is connected to cloud. Cloud will automatically verify parcel, whether parcel contains any wrong things or not. If there are any wrong things, automatically vibration takes place, and that vibration is also done by cloud. This is example of IoT level 3. Storage and as well as analysis. Both are done by using cloud itself. Guys, same diagram which we draw in level 2. Just here, you need to write analysis because analysis is also done by cloud itself. And next, IoT level 4. Guys, in IoT level 4, there are many devices in different places. All these devices will send data to cloud and cloud will do analysis. So, final analysis is done by cloud. Guys, for example, if you consider city noise monitoring, in city, there is too much of noise and there are so many sound sensors in city. All this will send data to cloud. Whenever all devices send sound data to cloud, then cloud will calculate noise levels. And there is also cloud-based app which will show complete noise levels. So in IoT level 4, there are so many devices. All these devices just act as collectors. And whereas decision is taken by cloud. Thus, you can also give CCTV camera example. There are so many CCTV cameras in cities. And whereas cloud will take decisions like where actions are going on, where crimes are going on, etc. So this is diagram. There are so many IoT devices. So each IoT device contains controller, resource and device. So locally mean in device itself. All these IoT devices are connected to application and database by using REST or WebSocket based communication models. Analysis is done by using cloud. So analysis part is connected to database, where database will store complete data. Guys, in local and in cloud, there is observer node. This observer node will not do anything. Name itself is observer. Just it will observe data, that's it. Next, IoT level 5. Guys, in IoT level 5, there are so many IoT devices and we call those devices as sensors. And there is one coordinator. This coordinator acts as middle device. This middle device will collect the complete data from sensors. So same like previous example, there are so many nodes that are nothing but there are so many sensors. These sensors will collect the data and then the sensors will send data to coordinator, where coordinator will send data to cloud. So cloud will store the data and then cloud will do analysis. Because for example, if you consider forest fire detection, there are many sensors which will monitor temperature, smoke, etc. After all sensors monitoring temperature and smoke, all those sensors will send data to coordinator. Then coordinator will collect the complete data and then coordinator will send the data to cloud. So cloud will predict that fire and then cloud will give alert message on app. So IoT level 5 is suitable for large areas. Here this is diagram where each device contain controller, resource and endpoint device. All these are stored locally and there is app and database which is stored in cloud. This is diagram. There are so many IoT devices or sensors that are connected to coordinator, where coordinator will send data to cloud. So cloud will store the data and perform analysis. Next I will explain IoT level 6. Guys, in IoT level 6, each and every IoT device is independent. One device will not depend on other device. Each device will send data independently to cloud. So cloud will perform analysis and cloud will store the data and cloud will give reply to the devices by using commands. Yes, for example, if you consider weather monitoring system, there are so many sensors in many locations. All will send data to cloud. Then cloud will predict the weather and then cloud will perform analysis and cloud will send alert message to all devices. This is diagram. There are so many sensors like sensor 1, 2, 3. All these sensors will collect data and then they will send data to cloud by using internet. So cloud will perform data storage, data analysis and then cloud will make decisions and we can see that final result in app or in website. This is all about IoT level 6.